Okay, so I made this like container to hold my slime. It was supposed to be a nice galaxy theme. It did not come out how I wanted. I should have done dry brush. It still holds this galaxy slime. It's a very pretty slime. I like it. Um, and it's nice. It's okay. I wish I'd done better, but beggars can't be choosers. And you are probably wondering, what is this from? What is the container? Well, it's from an empty bee balm. This is bee balm. This is my red velvet. That one's strawberry. But this is my red velvet. They're really good. I highly recommend. They smell amazing. They taste not as amazing. So, you're not tempted to eat it because you know what it tastes like. Horrible. But they're really nice and they smell good and they're like really good for your lips, I would say. Um, you know, I like them. You should like them. But if I could redo this one, I probably would because, yeah. But at least it does its job. Anyway, thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.